This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Dawn Willis. Many updates in this charming two-story home, starting at the lovely front door. Beautiful kitchen, eat and breakfast area, hardwood flooring throughout the main level. Large first floor laundry room. Lovely quiet heated/cooled sunporch for rainy days. Tile in all baths. Master bedroom has his and her closets, newer plush carpet upstairs. Private level backyard can be enjoyed from the tiered decking. For more information, review the details below or contact Dawn Willis at 865-693-1111.